Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to download Fortnite on laptop. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all guys, just open your browser and type here Fortnite. Then you will see the first website by the name of www.fortnite.com. So we just have to click on the website. Now here we have to click on play now, or you can just click on the download as well. So let me click on play now. Then here you will get to see the option for download now. So we just have to click there. Once your download is done, we have to open the file explorer and go to the file which we have downloaded. So it is in my download folder, so I just have to click on the file. So it is basically Epic Games launcher, so we have to just install it before. So if you want to change the path, you can just do that, but I'm going to set it on default, so I just have to click on install now. Once you click on install, the process will start and it will automatically download and update the Epic launcher. So it will take time according to your internet speed. Once your download is done, now we have to sign in. So you can just sign in with your email address and password if you have already account, but if you don't have account, you just need to create a one. So just click on the create account. So in my case, I have already account, so I'm just gonna put my email address and password right here. After signing in the Epic Games, we have to download Fortnite now. So to download, just go to the search store and type here Fortnite. So this is the one which we are going to download, but make sure there is nothing in the end of the Fortnite and nothing in the beginning. It should be just Fortnite. And once you click on the Fortnite, we just need to click on get. Now we have to purchase the game, and obviously it is not going to charge us anything because the game is for free. So we just have to tick this box and place a order. Once you do that, you will get the option for view in library. Just click there, or you can just click on library manually. Now just click on game, and here you have the option for change path. So if you want to change the path of Fortnite, you can just change it from browse. So let me just change it. I want to download the Fortnite on this folder, so I can just select it, and once you do that, just click on install. And boom, there you go, the Fortnite is now started downloading. So it will take time according to your internet speed, and once your download is done, you will get the option for play, or you can just click on the game, and from then you can easily play the Fortnite. So it is that simple to download Fortnite in your laptop or PC. Now it's your time to repay me. For that, you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.